Hi everyone, Sylvia here. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, these tips will help you create amazing content. Let's get started. Step 1 is to organize your footage. Create folders for raw footage, audio, music, and graphics. This will save you time and keep everything neat and tidy. Choose the right editing software. Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve are great choices for professionals. Pick one that suits your needs and budget. Now let's dive into basic editing techniques. Start by trimming your clips to remove any unnecessary parts. Use the Cut tool to split clips and the Ripple Delete to close gaps. Add transitions and effects to make your video flow smoothly. Simple cuts, crossfades, and zoom effects can make a big difference. But remember, less is more. Don't overdo it. Color correction and grading are crucial. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your footage look natural. Use color grading to set the mood and style of your video. Don't forget about audio. Make sure your voice is clear and at the right volume. Use background music to add emotion, but keep it balanced so it doesn't overpower your voice. Add titles and graphics to highlight important points. Use easy-to-read fonts and keep them on screen long enough for viewers to read. Finally, export your video in the highest quality possible. Check your settings to ensure your video looks great on any device. That's it. With these tips, you're on your way to editing videos like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.